Hello everyone. Today, we're going to draw a bunny flying in his carrot rocket through space. First, we make a sketch with a pencil. We start by drawing some guidelines. This will help us draw everything in the right place. Draw a big square. Inside this square, we draw a tall rectangle at an angle. Divide this rectangle in 6 smaller rectangles. Inside this rectangle, we draw the rocket, the engine, the landing gear, the window, a ladder, a flame, and the bunny. Some lines and bolts. In the space around the rocket, we draw a planet with rings. The stars we draw with 3 crossed lines. The Milky Way. And our pencil sketch is finished. Good job! Now we take a black marker to draw the clean lines. Draw 6 pointed stars. Trace the planet, but don't draw the part of the ring that's hidden behind the planet. Draw the Milky Way with 2 spirals. Trace the rocket and bunny. Give the ladder thickness by drawing around the sketch lines. Draw the outline and the inside of the flame. Wait a moment for the ink to dry and then you can erase the pencil lines. Now you can color your drawing. And we are all finished. Congratulations! Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.